What is next as bears regain strength, and what is the major reason why Terra Classic is facing downtrend today? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. If you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So while bears resurfaced in the past 24 hours to catalyze a 15% price dip to press time levels of 0.30 and $209, Lunc enthusiasts enjoyed a 75% rally in the past 7 days. If we look at the 5-day chart, we can clearly see that the price of Lunc has almost reached the lower support level of 0.30 and $171. In this case, Lunc will fix tokens sold by investors who decided to get out of the game, and after that, another rally will start, which we are all waiting for. If earlier the nearest resistance level was 0.30 and $28. Now, based on the latest corrections and news, the level has changed and is 0.30 and $235. In fact, all factors are trying to push the token up. But the selling factor on the part of investors stops the situation on the market and makes us stay in expectations of the nearest rally. Let's talk more about what is next as bears regain strength. Terra Classic has had a remarkable few days, with a massive surge that began in late November. This surge, propelled by an unforeseen investment in its algorithmic stablecoin, USTC, saw Lunc erase 1-0 and easily smash through resistance levels. While USTC initial parabolic surge has slowed, Lunc has maintained its momentum, refusing to be tethered down by temporary pullbacks. This resilience is seen by many as a sign of a larger bull run on the horizon for the cryptocurrency. Historically, Lunc has exhibited a penchant for explosive growth, and recent price action echoes this intrinsic characteristic. As it approaches crucial resistance levels, the token could be poised to catapult itself to greater heights. While short-term bearish movement is possible, the bulls remain undeterred, fiercely defending each hard-won gain. Lunc has shown tenacity, and any bearish movements can be considered as the token regrouping with a bigger surge coming. With the digital asset's behavior, many expect the massive surge to materialize, and we recently delved into Lunc potential market cap if it can reclaim the $1 price level. The potential market cap was estimated to be above $5 trillion, which is relatively impossible, at least for now. Since the upswing began, Lunc has been trading within an ascending channel, a technical formation that creates bullish anticipation in the minds of seasoned investors. However, the Bollinger Bands are showing volatility. Their initial expansion, followed by a subsequent contraction, hints at an initial period of turbulence, giving way to a more contained and controlled environment. This behavior, coupled with diminishing volume, paints a vivid picture of a potential squeeze, a coiled spring waiting to unleash its pent-up energy in a massive price surge. After failing to cross the 0.30 and $28 resistance level, Lunc has dropped 15.45% in the last 24 hours, trading at 0.30 and $198. Although short-term bears are trying to secure minor profit, Lunc seems to have found support above the 0.30 and $19 level. If a further decline materializes, Lunc could also find support above 0.30 and $17. However, this decline will not be maintained, as the Bollinger Bands point to an impending surge. Before long, Lunc could leverage this burgeoning bullish pressure to obliterate the resistance levels at 0.30 and $28 and 0.30 and $31. Meanwhile, ChatGPT, the leading AI chatbot, recently predicted that Terra Classic would cross 0.30 and $3 by the end of December, which has boosted investor confidence in an upcoming breakout. So what is the major reason why Terra Classic is facing downtrend today? The Terra Classic network proposal 11888 has sparked a heated debate within the community. This proposal suggests a significant reduction in validators and has raised important questions about the network's security and decentralization. The decision, although controversial, has been passed, leaving a negative impact on the price of Lunc and USTC and raising concerns about its long-term viability. Proposal 11888 seeks to shrink the validator set from 135 to just 100. Proponents argue that this streamlined approach will enhance network security by preventing potential attacks. Critics of the initiative also expressed concerns about the risks of centralization. They fear that such a move could undermine the decentralized nature of the blockchain and hinder the growth of smaller validators who play a crucial role in maintaining network diversity and resilience. The voting results have shed light on the internal conflict within the community. While 31.69% of voters supported the proposal, 22.49% openly opposed it, and 46% abstained from voting altogether. Notably, well-known validators, including all nodes, chose not to take a definitive stance, highlighting the intricacies of balancing security and decentralization. The approval of proposal 11888 has had a noticeable impact on the network's assets. Lunc and USTC, the native tokens of the Terra Classic ecosystem, experienced a sudden decline in price and trading volume. This reflects investor caution and uncertainty surrounding the network's future. The decline, combined with the absence of major updates and the lingering effects of previous turmoil, further complicates the path ahead for Terra Classic. The recent decision to reduce validators has sparked a critical dialogue within the Terra Classic community. While prioritizing security is crucial, the potential drawbacks of centralization cannot be overlooked. To ensure the network's long-term success and its ability to navigate the evolving crypto landscape, open communication, careful consideration, and community involvement are paramount. As the Terra Classic community grapples with this challenging issue, it is essential to engage in open dialogue and carefully evaluate the potential risks and benefits of planned developments. A commitment to inclusivity and a thorough examination of the trade-offs between security and decentralization will be vital in determining the future of the Terra Classic network. Now let's talk about how high must Terra Classic go to reclaim $40 billion market cap. At its peak in May 2022, Coin market cap data shows that Terra reached an all-time high market capitalization of around $40 billion. The milestone coincided with the widespread adoption of the network's stablecoin, Terra USD, which eventually crumbled alongside Terra LUNA in a remarkable turn of events later that year. If Terra's offshoot Terra Classic recovers to the all-time high market cap, the cryptocurrency would significantly increase from its current market value at 0.30 and $2017. Note that Terra Classic has a circulating supply of 5.84 trillion tokens. Hence, an all-time high of $40 billion means that the coin has to hit a price of 0.20 and $7. Notably, the price in USD may drop with ongoing burn programs. Exchanges like Binance burn a portion of fees from Lunc trading pairs, while the Terra Classic network burns a fraction of its network fees. These mechanics lower the coin's supply over time and might make it possible for Lunc to reclaim its all-time high at a different USD price than the one stated earlier. Let's discuss more why the Terra Classic daily transactions explode to 518,000 and what's next. Terra LUNA Classic price has been reigning supreme in the market since last week, bolstered by several factors including a proposal passed by the community aimed at improving the structure of native tokens Lunc and USTC. Binance's commitment to helping the Terra Classic community reduce the available supply is also another reason to consider for the massive breakout, with Lunc increasing by 130% in the last week, 193% in a fortnight, and 233% in 30 days. The network's stablecoin has also grown significantly thanks to the proposal that could see it regain its dollar peg. According to market data by CoinGecko, Terra Classic USD climbed by 31% over the last 7 days, 297% in a fortnight, and a colossal 352% in a month to $0.0526. The Terra LUNA Classic breakout has brought attention to previously fallen crypto tokens, including the stablecoin USTC. While the initial spike was mainly triggered by the vote on the proposal to improve the status of Lunc and USTC, the uptrend was mainly sustained by FOMO. However, the need for traders to lock in the gains seems to be hampering the breakout, with Terra Classic slashing its current value by 8.2% to trade at 0.30 and $22 on Tuesday. The trend correction might continue if traders fail to see a long-term bullish outlook in Lunc. A glimpse of the MACD indicator, however, reinforces the bullish thesis as it climbs above the neutral zone. Traders should be on the lookout for crossovers, which would signal a trend reversal. An incoming bullish crossover from the 21-week EMA, blue, and the 50-week EMA, red, may signal that the uptrend is strong and assure traders to hold on to their positions. What do you think about the Terra Classic future? What is next as bears regain strength? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.